Welcome back, students. So we were solving parallel lines worksheet 2, and up to question number 3 I have discussed. Today we are going to discuss question number 4. Draw a line segment AB of length 5 cm. At A and B, construct the line segment to AB which is perpendicular. Also draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. These are three lines. Now question is asking, are these three lines parallel to each other? Justify your answer. So figure may be of this type: AB. Let AB be the line segment in which we have to draw LA and MB perpendicular. The length of AB is 5 cm. So now first of all I will discuss what is perpendicular bisector. What is perpendicular bisector? A line which should be perpendicular on AB, that means at an angle of 90 degree, as well as it should bisect AB. And everyone knows how to draw perpendicular bisector. Suppose AB is the line. Now we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. So what we do, from point A we take more than half and draw an arc on the upper direction and below as well. And now we take from point B and cut an arc which is cutting to the previous arc, and we get a point. From that point we draw the line. So C is the point from where perpendicular as well as the bisector of this AB is drawn. So if the length of AB is 5 cm, so once it is 90 degree also, since it is perpendicular, but since it is bisector also, so AC is equal to BC is equals to 2.5. okay, so same way we will draw here in this question. AB is equals to 5 cm. Let us draw its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector is drawn. Okay, now name it as C and P. So PC is the perpendicular bisector of AB. What we have to do? We have to show. Now let these angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and each angles are perpendicular because already we have drawn perpendicular. Now what we see, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Each are equal to 90 degree as they are perpendicular dropped. But what type of angle you can see? They are pairs of corresponding angles, and pairs of corresponding angles are equal. That means LA is parallel to PC. Now also we can see, understood? Also what we can see? We can see that angle 3 and angle 4 both are 90 degree, and when we add them together, angle 3 and angle 4 both are 90 degree, and when we add them together it is 90 plus 90, 180 degree. But what type of angle they are? They are pairs of co-interior angles, and pairs of co-interior angle is supplementary. That means the lines are parallel. So we can see LA is parallel to PC and PC is parallel to MB, therefore they are parallel to each other. Okay, next question we will see now.